Would you like to know the 7 habits of highly successful salespeople? So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 habits of highly successful people, people who are making more than 10 lakh rupees every single month. So be with me. So I will give you 3 concepts about the sales, then I will give you 7 points. Okay. So my name is Ravi and thanks for being with me right now in this video. The first concept about sales, that sales is not a reality show. It's not a success contest. It's not a show of business to show people your Rolex watch, to show people your iPhone, to show people how big, which car you drive. If you have these things, it's a great. But boss, sales is a responsible job. It's a responsibility. It's an integrity to serve your people with authentic way. Okay, so that's the first concept about sales. Now, second concept about sales, it's not about convincing people. It's all about being convinced what you are offering, what you are selling to the marketplace. Let me decode. It's a very very powerful concept. If you try to convince people, अगर आप लोगों को convince करने की कोशिश करोगे, आप लोगों को चेपने की कोशिश करोगे, तो लोग आपसे भागेंगे. Because you yourself is not convinced from inside that whatever you are offering to the people, you like it, you buy it, which means you are totally sold out and you are convicted from inside. That's what sales is all about. Yeah, it's a very very powerful concept. And point number three, the concept number three about sales. Sales is not a profession anymore. It's a way of life. If you cannot sell, then forget about success. You cannot successful in your career in anywhere, because sales is must in this 21st century to become successful, to make lots of money and to have freedom in life, time, money, all the freedom. So these are the 3 concepts about sales. Now get into the 7 habits of highly successful sales people. So the first habit of successful salespeople is people don't take any rejection personally. What do I mean by that? वो लोग सेल्स को एक स्पोर्ट्स की तरह लेते हैं, and they understand कि somewhere they will lose and somewhere they will win. It's a normal. So they don't take it personally when they get rejected, when they get knocked down, and they don't allow their ego to come on their way. They understand it's a part of the game. So make sure if you want to take to your income to the next level, don't take no personally, don't take rejections personally. That's the first quality. Second habit of successful people, that they don't allow initial success or small success to make them comfortable or make them complacent person. You know what people do? काम स्टार्ट किया, थोड़े पैसे आए, go and buy iPhone. थोड़े पैसे आए, got a big car. थोड़े पैसे आए, put all the money and credit card, and now they are under debt, and they are got comfort zone, complacent, because I got something. That's a very short way to be a loser in life. But the top class people, the top 3% sales people, they have an eye on the top, in the top end goal, and they never stop it. They enjoy the success, but they don't allow the success to stop them. Initial success. So make sure कि आप थोड़ी सी सफलता पाके इतना नहीं रहे. Celebrate your success, but don't allow to stop it. Got it? It's a very very powerful concept. Now point number 3. People don't think and talk too much about their goal. So what they do? They focus on doing those things which will get them to achieve their goal. मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, it's a very important point. A lot of people talk about their goal. I want to achieve this. मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं ये पाना चाहता हूँ, मुझे इतने पैसे कमाने हैं, मुझे ये करना, इस साल मेरा ये. That's okay. Having clarity about goal is okay, no doubt about it. But if you only keep on talking about your goal, and you're not taking action on the ground, forget about it. It's not going to happen. Right? So rather than wasting your time and energy and efforts talking about goal, let's do those things which will get you to your goal. So they focus on doing things, not just talking. So they are not talker, they are doer. That's my point. They don't talk about the goal, they get into the game and they do those things which takes them to their goal. I hope this point is clear. Okay? Yeah. Point number 4. They are very impatient people. What do I mean by that? Don't take otherwise. See, when it comes to applying something, a lot of people only see, okay, we want to do this, we want to do this, and we want to do this, we want to achieve this, we want to do this. But these people, what they do, they find some idea, they want to achieve something, they get immediately jump into, let's do it. So they don't focus, or they don't wait for the perfect time. They just get into it and they just start doing it. If they find any CRM is good for them, they just go and buy it. If they find something is out in the market and they need to learn, they start learning about it. Got it? Point number 5. They are not a planner. So what they do? They are prioritizer. Which means ये लोग प्लानिंग कम करते हैं, ये अपने गोल के अकॉर्डिंग अपनी प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं, अपनी एक्टिविटी को प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं कि ये काम, ये काम, ये काम, ये काम, और ये जो इनकी प्रायोरिटाइजेशन होती है ये इनके गोल के हिसाब से होती है. व्हाट पीपल डू, जो लोग करते हैं, वो प्लान बनाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, यहाँ जाएंगे, वहां जाएंगे, ये सब करेंगे, एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे नथिंग हैपेंस. And at the end of the week they are saying, you know why? Because वो prioritization नहीं हुआ. आप अगर मुझे बोलोगे ना कि रवि जी मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मैं बोलूँगा show me your weekly, not planner, weekly prioritizer. आपकी week की priorities कहाँ है? And if you don't have any priority for the week, it means your time pass कहाँ है? You are wasting your time. So people focus on the weekly priorities. And those weekly priorities are set according to their goals, which they want to achieve on the week, to the next week, to the next week, to the next week. That's what it works. They are not planner, they are prioritizer. 6 point, they don't take action. What? They don't take action. So what they do? They take massive action. They take massive action. Yes, they are obsessed people. They are focused, obsessed, energetic people. If you meet any highly effective or any highly successful sales guy, you will find guy or girl, anybody, you will find they are highly energetic people. And because I coach a lot of people who are very successful in sales, they have one thing in common: energy. And if anybody is lacking energy in my coaching, I ask them, hey, let's get more energy. You know what? Because energy is everything. All the success is energy. All the money is energy. All the life is all about energy. Okay, so they people are driven by massive action, obsessed, focus, monomaniacally focus, obsessed to get the result. If they have to make 5 phone calls, they make 20 phone calls. They have to ask for 1 reference, they ask for 20 people to give them the reference. They knock, they're a knocker. They just go, they push, they push, they push, they push, they push, and on the pushing side, they become something good. I hope you are enjoying it, right? Point number 7. They people are humble and open-minded to learn, to develop new skill, and to change according to the time. Most people are not. Most people are closed. डब्बा बंद है उनका. जैसे बोतल का ढक्कन है ना, ये बंद है, खुलता नहीं है. They are open people. उनके माइंड का ढक्कन हमेशा खुला रहता है. और जो 95% सेल्स लोग हैं, उनका ढक्कन बंद है. That's why they have limited money, they have limited resources, they have everything, they have limited, you know, because mind में limit है, तो क्या करेंगे आप? So what they do, the top sales people, they do online courses, they read book, they do anything to learn any new skills. They walk miles and miles and miles to attend classes. And what people say, they say they have excuse. Nothing personal, but that's how it is. Okay, so they have mentor and coaches. You know what mentor and coach do? The mentor and coach can push you to reach to the next level. A coach and mentor can hold your hand when you are down. A coach and mentor will believe on you when you don't believe on yourself. A coach and mentor will uplift you when any prospect says something negative to you and you are knocked down. When you are losing self-confidence, your coach and mentor will raise you. Hey, stand up, buddy. You are great. Okay, so these are the 7 सक्सेसफुल सेल्स पीपल हैबिट्स. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन टू यू, इनमें से कौन सी क्वालिटी ऐसी है जो आपके अंदर है और कौन सी क्वालिटी जो आपके अंदर नहीं है, एंड व्हिच क्वालिटी यू लाइक अबाउट इट. ओके, सो टाइप इन द कमेंट बॉक्स whether you are watching on YouTube or Facebook. And also if you are watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe this channel. You know what, because if you subscribe this channel, you'll get all the notifications. And also like the video. Once you like it, then what happened, YouTube पे जो algorithm है वो ऐसे काम करते हैं that you, if you like this video, they will show you more this video if you like this content and my philosophy. Yeah? And if you are somebody that you want to take your sales and revenue to the next level at this time, then as a sales coach, I'm coaching a lot of people, I'm helping people, and I'm building a community of like-minded people where I'm going to show you step by step how your sales and revenue can grow to the next level. For that, click on the link. There will be a link of my planner, my calendar planner, and you can schedule a one-on-one with me. It's free of cost, where either me or my team will be coming on a live call. We'll show you how we can help you to get your lead generation system right, to get your self-confidence right, to get your objection handling right, and to grow your sales and revenue. Okay, so that's it from my side. All the best. Take care. God bless. Cheers. Thank you very much.